Welcome first-year students to the dynamic realm of public relations, a field crucial for shaping positive perceptions. In this educational video, we'll delve into the core principles and fundamental tasks that define PR. Let's embark on this journey together. Our first key area is media relations and placement. Here we focus on building relationships with journalists and crafting press releases to secure valuable media coverage, enhancing your organization's visibility. Now, let's explore the importance of organizing. PR professionals plan events, campaigns, and manage appearances with precision, ensuring that communication efforts are not just structured, but also aligned with strategic goals. In the world of PR, effective communication begins with writing. Crafting persuasive press releases, speeches, and articles is fundamental for conveying clear and impactful messages to your audience. Next up is production. Imagine it as the creative hub of PR, where visual and multimedia content such as brochures, videos, and infographics are produced to engage your audience visually. Speaking engagements play a pivotal role in establishing expertise and credibility. As PR practitioners, you'll often find yourselves presenting compelling speeches, connecting directly with live audiences. Finally, we explore the importance of training. PR professionals conduct training sessions, ensuring that staff and spokespeople represent the organization effectively and consistently, especially during media interactions. Finally, we explore the importance of training. PR professionals conduct training sessions, ensuring that staff and spokespeople represent the organization effectively and consistently, especially during media interactions. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Stay curious, stay engaged, and best of luck in your exploration of the exciting field of public relations.